Hello students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. I am back for class 7th chapter number 1 integers. So where we are going to do exercise 1.2. Let's begin with it. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7, difference is minus 10 and sum is 0. So we need to make a pair in such a manner my answer should come as minus 7. So let us take a pair of minus 3 and minus 4. Now what will I do? 4 plus 3 is 7, I know. But I need to put minus sign because my answer should come as minus 7. Please go through the integers video which is already been uploaded so that these concepts are clear and you will be able to do very easily. Next I want my difference should be minus 10. That means inside the brackets there should be minus sign. And two integers here I have taken as minus 12 and minus 2 such that I should get as minus 10. Now here suppose I will write it as minus 12 plus 2. Okay, then in that case my answer comes to minus 10. But why I have written as minus 2 over here is because outside there is a minus sign, and if I use plus here inside plus 2, then it will become minus 12 minus 2. In that case my answer will come as minus 14. So that will be a wrong answer. So in that case I should make a pair in such a manner to minus 12 and minus 2. First write two brackets, put a sign in between and then decide what numbers you have to take. It is not necessary children, the pair which I have taken that only you have to take. You can choose any pair as per your choice. Let us take a pair of integers minus 3 and 3 to make it a sum 0. You can take minus 2 and 2, you can take minus 1 and 1, minus 5 and 5, anything you can take because minus and plus of same number will end up into 0. And see that one is sum, difference, sum. When sum is there, put a plus sign in between, and when difference is there, put a minus sign in between, and then decide the pairs what you have to take. Next question, write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Now I have to take negative integers as well as I have to find their difference, which means the center operation will be minus sign. Two integers here I have taken it as minus 2 and minus 10. Now why I have taken it like this? See, minus and minus of 10 will become plus 10. So what is 10 minus 2? 8, and I need positive 8. So like this my answer is correct. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. See, your answer should come as minus 5. So first make two brackets and in between them put a plus sign is equal to write minus 5 and then think there should be one negative integer, one positive integer. Now the hint over here is the negative integer should be a bigger number. Why? Because my answer should be in minus 5. The sign will be always of a bigger number. So that means I should choose such a number of negative integers which should be a bigger. So here I have taken minus 7. So minus 7 plus 2 if I do, I will get a minus 5. Or I can even choose minus 6. If I do minus 6 plus 1, then also my answer will come as minus 5. I can choose minus 8 plus 3. Then also my answer is minus 5. So you can choose any of the combinations to find out your answer. Next number, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Now here whenever you have a minus sign in between, always think there is a danger, you need to be alert. Okay. So now put a two brackets and inside that in between them put a minus sign. What I need? Minus 3 I want. So there should be a positive integer and there should be a negative integer. So here I have taken as minus 2 minus of 1. Okay, in that case minus 2 minus 1 both are minus. I will add it, 2 and 1 is 3 and sign will be of minus. Children, to do this question you must watch the video of the integers. All the concepts of all these types are explained there. It will be then very easy for you. There will be no confusion what I have to do, what sort of number I need to put. Next question. In a quiz, Team A scored -40, 10 and 0 and Team B scored 10, 0 and -40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? So first let us find out the score of A team and B team. So A team is -40 plus 10 plus 0. This will give me -30 as the answer. Team B has scored 10 plus 0 -40. This will also give me as -30. Both these scores are same, -30 and -30. So yes, we can add the integers in any order. Why I have written is because you are told, can you say that we can add integers in any order? We can add. We can change the order of the integers. Then also my answer will remain same. Next, fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. Now here you need to understand the various laws or various properties of additions or subtraction. With that it will become very easy for you. Now in the first case, if you see, it is -5 plus -8 is equal to -8 plus dash. Now very easily, if you see towards left hand side and right hand side, in both the cases -8 and -8 is there and -5 is there on the left hand side. That means on my right also I need to have -5 as my answer. Second part, -53 plus dash is equal to -53. What should I do now? My answer should come -53 only. So if I add 0 to any number, my answer will remain the same. Next, 17 plus dash is equal to 0. Now if I use my additive inverse, that means if one number is positive, if I use the same negative, I will get a 0. For example, if I say -2 plus 2 is 0, or if I say 5 minus 5 is 0. One is positive, one is negative with the same number. Now here I have 17. So 17 is positive here. That means I need to add it with -17 in order to get my answer as 0. Fourth part, 13 plus -12 plus dash is equal to 13 plus 12 minus 7. So in this case you have 3 digits, 3 numbers if you say left hand side and right hand side. In the right hand side and left hand side, if you compare, -7 is missing. So -7 will be your answer as per the associative law of addition. Next is -4 plus 15 plus -3 is equal to -4 plus 15. Again, if you say, here we have, what are we doing? It is just regrouping of the numbers, okay? -4 is there on both the side, left hand side and right hand side. 15 is also in both left hand side and right hand side. -3 is only on the left hand side. So the remaining on the right hand side, to make it equal, I should have -3 as my answer as per the associative law of addition. I will provide the link, children, over here for these laws. It will be very easier for you to understand. With this, I have ended with exercise 1.2. It was very easy and very simple. Please go through the videos, go through the exercise properly, and you can choose any pair. N number of options are available to you. Very soon I am going to teach you exercise 1.3. Till then, see you. Goodbye.